Welcome back to the AI Podcast. This is episode 12, and today we're diving into something that literally builds the world around us: engineering.
Yeah, and it's funny because when people hear engineering, they often picture bridges, engines, or machines. But it's really so much bigger. It's the phone in your hand, the Wi Fi you're using, the skyscrapers you walk past, even the way fresh water gets to your house.
Right? And if you look at history, engineering is kind of the backbone of every civilization. The Romans had aqueducts, medieval Europe had cathedrals and clock towers. The Industrial Revolution gave us steam engines, and now we're talking about rockets that land themselves.
And software. I mean, half our world runs on code now. Apps, websites, artificial intelligence, all of that is still engineering. Just not with bricks and steel, but with logic and algorithms.
What's wild is how creative it really is. People think it's all calculations and blueprints, but it starts with imagination. Someone has to picture something that doesn't exist yet.
Exactly. And usually, it doesn't work the first time. Think of the Wright brothers. They didn't just build one plane and magically take off. They crashed again and again, but they learned with every attempt. That resilience is baked into engineering.
And it's not just inventing for the sake of it. Engineers today have to think about responsibility. Sure, we can build more factories or more powerful AI, but should we? What's the environmental impact? What happens to jobs? Every decision has consequences.
That's a big shift compared to the past. Engineering gave us the industrial world, but it also gave us pollution. Now the challenge is building sustainably. Cleaner energy, smarter cities, materials that don't destroy the planet. It's a whole new frontier.
You know, one of my favorite things about engineering is how collaborative it is. No one designs a rocket or even a car alone. It's always teams bouncing ideas off each other, testing, failing, improving.
Yeah, and that mindset, break the problem down, test it, improve it, I think it's useful even outside engineering. It's a way of thinking you can apply to life. Like instead of being paralyzed by a huge challenge, you just tackle one piece at a time.
And in a way, the world is never done. There are always new problems to solve, new designs to test, new ideas waiting to be turned into reality.
That's what makes engineering exciting. Yeah, and it's not just about fixing things, like it's about building the future.
Exactly. So whether you're an engineer or not, I think there's something inspiring about remembering that everything around us, from the simplest tool to the most advanced technology, started with someone daring to ask, what if we could?
And that's where we'll wrap it up for today.
Thanks for listening, and as always, stay curious, stay inventive, and we'll see you in the next episode.